Hi friends, welcome back to my art corner. Today we're going to be drawing a little scene from Bali. I just noticed that all of the influencers on Instagram seems to just spend the entire winter at Bali, and they post these lovely photos, and you wish you were there but you weren't, so here we are. Why not, let's paint it. This one is it taught me a lot of lessons. I haven't painted with gouache too often, and for some reason I thought that that gouache dries and you can reactivate it, because sometimes when I'm painting, I guess I do a painting within a day and I don't usually spread it over a couple of days. And usually the paint dries a little bit slowly, and you can usually work back and get those, lift those layers underneath and work into it. So for some reason, I thought, sometimes you have too much paint on your palette and you don't want to waste it. So the orange that you saw at the beginning of this video was me trying to use some of the paint that I had left on my palette, and I was like, oh, I'll let this dry and then I could use it as a background for another painting and rework into it, as if it was oil or something, But this was a life lesson here, an art lesson here, where I guess you can't. I put on that blue and nothing was left underneath, and I was like, oh, well, now you touched it, and that was such a nice orange background, and that is now completely gone and covered. That's okay. I just kept on pushing myself, and every time I would lift my brush to get new paint, I would be so disappointed with the piece that I was like, oh, this is not how I pictured it in my head. But let's just push through, and it's a learning curve, so what else can we learn about this, right? And the other thing I guess I learned was I don't really know how to do palm trees. And no wonder why. There's a video on YouTube here with millions of views of how to paint palm trees. So that video is quite helpful. I thought it would be an easy thing to paint, but I guess not. So yeah, I'm struggling here with it. I think I put too much paint down, really. And then I just kept on trying to lift certain areas, and then I was losing contrast in certain areas. So yeah, I definitely want to tackle palm trees again. I think it would be a cool experiment to do. I did kind of like how the clouds kind of ended up. I missed the orange, but I think it was kind of cool how that pinky sky, purpley, it's muddy, but it's kind of realistic to Bali, where it's hazy and overcast. It's sunny but it's overcast. So yeah, I mean, there were good things in this painting. There's also bad things in this painting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a really quick one. More gouache paintings to come. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy it.